How to change language in Microsoft Word back to English. Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and let's get started. So let's say I have my Word in a different language. Maybe this is a German language. Now I want to change it to English. What you need to do is click on the last option from the left menu when you open Word, and you'll be taken to a new window. After you come in here, you need to click on the sixth option from the left menu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on it, and you'll be taken to here. So once you locate the English, just click on it and click on the last option from the right hand side. So if you don't have your English language in this box, then you need to click on the first option from the right hand side, and from here you need to search for your English language. So in this matter, you strictly need to use a translator. Just open your mobile camera and go to Google Translator and translate this. And after you have added it here, you can go ahead and add it from here. Then click on this last button and make sure you have your English at the top and click on OK, which is the left button down here, and it will show you that you need to restart your Word. Click on OK and restart your Word. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.